We cannot, and I will not, let this man be reelected President of the United States of America. Limit it to 4 years. I believe history will look back in this presidency as an aberrant moment in time. But if Donald Trump is reelected, Freudian slip, if Donald Trump is reelected, he will forever and fundamentally alter the character of this nation. Donald Trump does pose an extra threat to this. It's not hypothetical, his threat to this nation. He does pose a real threat. The core values of this nation, our standing in the world, our very democracy, everything that's made America, America's at stake, and everyone knows who Donald Trump is. Now we have to show them who we are, That we choose hope over fear. We choose science over fiction. We choose unity over division. And yes, we choose truth over lies. Folks, I've never been more optimistic about America's chances than I am today. We're better positioned than any nation in the world to lead the 21st century. We have the world's most powerful economy. We have the greatest research university in the world, more than all the rest of the world combined. We find ourselves with a workforce that's 3 times as productive as workers in Asia. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to get the hell up. It's time to stop walking around with our heads down. This is the United States of America. We can do anything at all we set our mind to. Anything. Not hyperbole. We all had to learn about John Kennedy's speech about going to the moon. The one line in that speech, and my friends have heard me repeat over the years, I don't know how many times, that made the most sense to me. He said, in answering the unspoken question, why are we doing this? He said, because we refuse to postpone. I refuse to postpone one more day taking back this country. The opportunities are amazing. We are in a position to be able to lead the world like we've never been able to do it before. Ladies and gentlemen, we can do this. This is our moment. God bless you all, and may God protect our troops. Thank you.